welcome to the channel. Today we got a fun day for you guys. I'm selling my forklift, one of them. We're gonna go take it to a customer right now, and then we're gonna go work on a skid steer. So stick around. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you when we get there. Hey, I know you. Oh, I gotta put it in reverse. Put it in reverse, Terry.
Liqueo, eso lo limpia un poco ya.
I don't think they got them here.
What are you looking for?
This?
Huh?
Oh, they just got. Oh, they do got some. Yeah, it just opened. It's like 10 minutes from our house.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. We used to have nothing here. No Tractor Supply, no Ace Hardware. How much is this chain? $100 for this chain?
100? What do you think?
This is 3/8. So then. They got a chain right here actually. High test, 5/16, grade 43, high test, 10-foot chain. It's on like a 20-foot chain. How hard is it to find? This is it. Yeah. This is 20-foot, 5/16, grade 70. So it's 4,700 pounds. Grade 7. So it'd be this kind of chain. It's pretty good. Ooh. Hey, watch me slide. What am I doing wrong? 3, 2, 1. Hey. There it is. That's the one.
What?
Yo, yesterday I was gonna put this battery.
What?
Look at that thing. Can you zoom in?
Nah.
Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in.
I gotta get close.
Oh my goodness. Oh my. That's the nastiest thing I've ever seen.
Bro.
Yo, show them the new pants you got.
Oh.
Bro, you know what you look like? You look like you work IT. What the? You need some boots or something. We just got here. It's about 45-minute drive. We're gonna set this down, give it to them. They're gonna test drive it again, make sure that everything works correctly. Sign the paperwork, get paid, go home, baby. After this, we're gonna go dump the trailer off at the shop. Had to do that. We're gonna do a final drive rebuild on a skid steer for a friend of mine. On a Terex skid steer.
My name is Sean Luther. I'm with Titan Residential and Commercial, and just bought a forklift from Elmer, and we're going to use it to remodel this warehouse. We just started today, so this is day one of the project, and we are expecting it to take about 2 months. The forklift is going to be a lifesaver for sure.
We just got back from eating lunch. We're going to drop this trailer off. My mechanic's going to go weld the radiator. I'll see you guys when we get to the skid steer.
Todo, algo.
Everything good.
Todo good, todo good.
Alright, so
Yeah,
my name is Nate.
you.
I own a tree service company. I was currently working on a job site with my skid steer. Had a brand new motor rebuild and everything, so I know for a fact it wasn't the motor that was going on. I was losing power, and my machine wasn't moving at all. Well, me and Elmer, we had to take apart the final drive because we finally figured out what it was. My left drive wasn't moving at all, so it was bogging down my motor. So I wasn't getting any movement, anything like that. So we finally figured out what it was after a dive into everything.
Show me what the noise was making.
I ended up coming here and he already did like the hard part, which is taking it off. Then we got the final drive apart and we realized everything looked kind of good. We were starting to take it apart. Everything looked like, you know, normal. The pump wasn't bad. Every indentation is when it comes out. Once it comes in, it pushes these cylinders in and then it pushes the pressure out. Right? and that goes through here, and then that goes to your clutch pack, which then this is what we found. When you look at your clutch pack, look at that. Right, you see how some are like this, and they're not flat. So these are the new ones, and there's no. See how tight they are together. We're gonna reseal it. We're gonna reuse. Or actually, you got new bearings, right?
No, the bearings we kept the same.
Oh yeah, we're reusing the bearings because they're good.
Yeah. So all
Seal kit and then
kit.
clutch plates.
To get that oil too. Had to.
See, what takes the longest with these final drive rebuilds is just cleaning everything completely shiny. Make sure there's no dirt, debris, stuff like that. Blow everything out. The worst thing you want to do is put a final drive together and it's contaminated or it's got dirt. You said it's gonna be different?
The one that this guy had open on the table at D300 never had that.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know what that is.
And didn't have it on there. So I would this
And
everything
33,
that
it goes 33 and that. And then these, I'm guessing that's the O-rings, 1, 2, 3, 4, right in there. And then that cap, which is this one.
where did we ever figure this right here, or is that going in here?
It doesn't really matter how much, it just has to fill the gap.
Yeah.
Wherever you are. You can even, for example, sometimes they put a big spacer here, you can take that spacer out and put more clutch packs. Or sorry, more discs and spacers.
Yeah.
That's what my dad does with transmissions. He puts an extra disc or an extra spacer.
That doesn't do anything as long as it's on the teeth?
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
If anything, it's just gonna grip more. So on transmissions, you got like on forklifts, there's a forward and reverse drum, and the drum is filled with these, right? So when you go forward, it puts pressure into here and expands the friction disc, and it it catches a lot better. So if you have an extra friction disc, or it's just extra friction.
Gotcha.
Like, why didn't the guy do it like that from factory?
Yeah, I should have done.
Yeah, because they do that on purpose. They'll have to rotate to line up like that. Oh damn! This O-ring. You too?
I just took my toe out.
Dude.
And got off my boots. It has to turn this way. You don't have this lined up. I think this shaft has to turn. There's no way we can turn this shaft down here.
No.
If you can pinch that second one, yeah, there we go. See that one slide in?
It goes like this. All right. Thank you guys for watching. It took a while, but we got it done. It is right now 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock on a Wednesday. Thank you, Nate, for letting us film here. And I hope you guys learned something. If you have any suggestions, comments, concerns, anything we did wrong, leave it down in the comments. Subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Have fun.